The high-performance encoder is a semi-automatic tabletop machine that can be used to print production and batch dates in the food, beverage, and medication industries. This machine uses hot stamp tape instead of liquid ink. It weighs 7 pounds. Prints information on any soft packaging material with the features of a very clear imprint, constant temperature control. What work mode temperature can be adjusted for different materials. The machine is used to print product date, weight. Automatic, economical, and easy-to-operate machine is used in the medical, food and chemical industry. Full service installation, training, startup, repair. Instructions for use in English and Russian. The machine conforms to GMP standard. We provide detailed instructions on how to set up this printer model. Prior to shipment, the machine is checked and tested at the factory. Completeness and serviceability is guaranteed. Experienced specialists. Minipress company will help you choose the right model of equipment. Our catalog Minipress.ru, one of the most authoritative in the pharmaceutical industry. Daily consultant answers questions in WhatsApp at the number +7 985 364 3808. You can also send a request to email info@minipress.ru. We maintain a stock of parts and consumables. The price is inclusive of customs fees in Russia and delivery to the buyer's city. DL-33 desktop date and expiration date printer, hot print ribbon printer type, encoding mode semi-automatic, power 200 watts, voltage 220 volts, 50 Hz, printing speed 10 to 100 prints per minute, infinitely variable speed, print area, single line maximum 4 by 35 mm, 15 characters, double line maximum 8 by 35 mm, characters 30 pieces, triple line maximum 12 by 35 mm, characters 45 pieces. Print type Arabic numerals, English letters, hot press ribbon width 35 mm, length 100 mm, spool diameter 25.4 mm, gear motor 15 watts, 220 volt 110 volt.
RomanTsibulsky will answer all of your questions. Moscow phone +7 495 364 3808.
Hello, my name is RomanTsibulsky. I'm the founder and the owner of the pharmaceutical equipment catalog Minipress.ru. For the last 17 years, I've been making sure that our clients make the right choice, get everything delivered on time, and have no problems with customs clearance. Every year, I participate in pharmaceutical equipment expositions worldwide in order to pick new, better quality models to include in my catalog. In my catalog, you can find tablet press machines, blister packaging machines, coating machines, packaging and production equipment, a wide range of laboratory machines, as well as compact desktop units to start your pharmaceutical business. In any case, if you don't come across what you are looking for, just let me know, and I'll help you find the best options. I provide my clients not only with information about equipment, but also about different technologies. I'm really good at that, as I have a great deal of my own and my clients' experience here. In my catalog, you'll find different types of equipment from China, India, Taiwan, Korea, and Europe. My team will assist you in choosing the right model, purchasing it, getting it delivered, and customs clearing of any equipment to Russia. You can contact me every day, either by telephone, Skype, or email. I'm here to help you choose any pharmaceutical equipment, making use of all my experience and knowledge. I'll be happy to see you among my clients.